Nespresso assistance video on directions for use. To enjoy a perfect cup of Nespresso coffee every time, we suggest you follow some simple instructions. Discover the instructions for a Pixie machine, which are equally applicable to your Latissima Plus machine. To start, the quality of water is essential for enhancing the aroma of your espresso, so we suggest you refill the water tank on a daily basis using clean water. After every use, it is important to remove the used Nespresso capsule and not let it remain in the extraction system. We suggest you empty out the capsule container regularly and empty the drip tray to avoid it overflowing. After each use of your machine, run a cup of water through it, without a capsule in the unit, in order to avoid the deposit of coffee grounds within the flow system. To maintain the optimum temperature and quality of your espresso, descale your machine regularly. We suggest that you do not use vinegar as it may damage the connections of your machine. We recommend you use the Nespresso descaling solution specifically designed for your machine.